Oahu's North Shore is world famous for its surfing, and today I'm taking a private lesson from a pro. Before you jump in the water, you're going to learn all the basics on the sand, like how to paddle and stand up. Let's head out to practice.
Today we're going to be learning to surf on the beautiful island of Oahu. We will start you off on the land lesson, so we'll go over the basics on how to paddle, how to stand up, and then once you feel good, we're going to take you in the water and we're going to guide you and assist you into catching waves while we coach you. It's going to be super cool.
If you're a beginner, like me, don't worry, we've got an awesome guide. We're learning all the safety tips, all the right positions, so we should be well equipped to tackle those waves.
And give me 5.
Hey!
Yeah!
Ready. I've had my lesson on the sand, time to hit the waves.
I would absolutely recommend this tour, especially my instructor. She was really great and made me feel very comfortable every step of the way. It's great for beginners. The waves are very mild. The water is really, really warm. Overall, I think it's perfect if you're just starting out.
That was amazing. Paddling out, catching waves, and doing it in one of the most famous places in the world. You absolutely have to try this out.